What's up, buddies? Good morning, or good morning from my end. It's Monday, June 1st, 9:36, according to my phone. As of course, I'm here editing. Paul went to see Cooler Master. He went to like their main show floor. Their main headquarters that they got here. Paul asked me more than once if I wanted to go or not. I wanted to stay because I got to work on this video Fantix. I stayed up till 1 last night to finish this pause videos that he needed me to get done, and also I needed to stay up to finish my video. So it's like fuck. But I'm glad I got that done. And thank you for the comments. The response has been positive, and appreciate the discussions you guys are having with me. And also the suggestions. I mentioned about like the monitors. I have to return these guys on Friday, and someone left a suggestion about going to the front desk and asking them to like deliver it for me because they do have a service to deliver stuff for you. I'm like, oh, I didn't think about that. Stuff like that is the reason why I like making these vlogs because you guys obviously, especially the locals, you guys know more than I do. So you giving me that kind of information does help me a lot, and it definitely makes life a lot easier here. So I do appreciate that. Yeah, like I said, it's 9:30-ish, and I'm gonna finish this video probably done by 11, I believe, depending on how things go. And Paul will probably not return till 1 in the afternoon. So I plan on going to DJI. There is a DJI booth section in the malls nearby that I want to get the DJI mics. I'm really excited to get those. Since I'm here, I'm pretty sure I can save some money on the Evil Terrorist. Fuck, back home. Shit. And also, I believe Paul is interested in getting the new Osmo Pocket 4, I believe. Mine's the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I believe the main benefits that the new Pocket 4 offers is that with this DJI, the lens, there's no real zoom. There's no mechanical lens on this camera. So when you zoom in, it's all digital, really. So if you zoom in, it zooms in more in a digital manner, and it doesn't look as great as it can. I mean, it looks good at a certain distance, but if you really are filming and you want to film at a distance or want to zoom in, it does it more in a digital manner. So the new DJI, it actually has mechanical lenses that it does focus more with actual mechanical lenses. I'm not into the cameras. I don't understand much of that stuff, but there's more technology in the lens for the new DJI Pocket 4 that like the lens, the zoom is more mechanical rather than being digital, right? So that's one thing about this camera is that like the lens sensor is not that great for zooms and especially for low lights. So I'm not sure if like the new camera is better at low light situations. I'm not sure. I'm actually happy with this. I'm gonna stick with it. I mean, shit, I barely have a couple years with this thing, so I want to use this camera until it fucking explodes in my hand. Fuck it, and then I'll buy a new one. But I'm gonna go over to the DJI booth. I want to get my mics. And I'm gonna see if they have that camera because Paul's interested in it. We have breakfast, and the lounge that I showed you yesterday. Yeah, we found a couple guys from like Gamers Nexus, and we had breakfast with them, and they were talking to Paul about the new cameras, and Paul got the bug to possibly get the new DJI 4. So I'm gonna check that out. So, anyways, I'm gonna edit. And once I'm done here, I'm going to head over to the mall, and I'm going to get my mics and see if they have that camera for Paul and see how much it costs and see what else I can do after that. Anyhow, again, thanks for the comments. I appreciate it, and any suggestions to help me out. I'll take it. Seriously, I really appreciate any help that you locals or people that have been here before know that I don't. It does help massively. All right. Again, I really appreciate that. All right, I'll see you guys in a bit. Snap. Mwah. It's like 12:30 at the moment. I just finished doing Fantix vid. I'm on a mini mission. I wanted to show this construction of the new building they're doing. Wonder how high they're gonna make this damn thing. It's pretty cool. Pretty impressive, very impressive. Around this area, they usually promote Disney movies. And now that Disney is coming out with Toy Story 5 or 6, I don't even fucking know. I wanna see if I see any propaganda for it, so kind of curious to check that out. Oh, sure enough, there's over there. Let me use the shitty zoom here. Yeah, you can kind of see it. As you can see, the zoom ain't that great on this camera. I think it's in here. Can't remember. About to find out. I have a general idea where it's at, but oh yeah, it is here. All right, cool. I just remember being by the perfumes and all that. You want to smell good and you want to look good, you got a DJI to make your videos look good. right, let's see what they got. Let's see. Oh, here, yeah, they do have it. The DJI Osmo 4. All right. Paul wants to get that. Sweet. Fucking got it. Originally, I was just gonna buy the mics, and the guy was a good salesman, but he wasn't pushy about like buying the whole kit. He was like just giving me information on ways how I can use like the whole receiver and all that stuff. Like the case itself actually works as a battery bank, so if I need to charge my mics, I could just put it in here and it will charge it up. Also, the receiver, you can actually hook it up to like your PC or anything that's a Type-C. And like, I've actually was considering buying like a new mic for my PC because my current mic sucks ass. I don't like it. So yeah, he basically, that's the main thing that sold me on buying this thing is that I can just connect this to my PC, and when I make my videos, I can just use this as the mic. And yeah, I know like the quality of this thing is actually pretty good. So yeah, I'm actually excited about that. That way I don't have like the giant mic in front of my face when I'm making a video, or when I play video games, like I have like the mic arm like on top of my keyboards, and like sometimes I can't see the keys or it interrupts me or I bump into it all the damn time. So yeah, this is wireless, and yeah, I like it. So so I can go get my tax refund because since I'm not a citizen, instead of taking taxes from me, they give it back, right? What a concept. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I'm very happy with this. Yeah, this was like, I already had in mind about spending about $300 on this, and I was like 289, something like that. But yeah, not bad. I'm very happy. Before anything else happens, I'm gonna go and get my tax refund, get that thing going. So if I remember correctly, I think it should be around here, the area where I get my tax refund. I love their clothes. Sandwich duck, look at that. Nice. This is actually a cool shirt, little dinosaur. It's pretty neat. Yeah, here it is, tax refund. All right, that was cool. I just got my tax refund back. I was like, I got like 300 NT back, but it was like $30 American US in a way. So yeah, I just texted Paul. He's at some burger place with Kyle and Naren. Most likely they're live streaming. So I'm gonna go and head over there and have some food with them. That's the mission. Cool, they actually happen to be in an area that's super close to where I was at. Around here, because there's like a touristy area, there's a lot of like Western food. You got Irish pubs and other stuff. There's a burger place right there. I think it's here. Up, I can already see cameras. Perfect. That's cool.
Joe.
You're still live streaming?
Say hi to chat. Joe, everybody.
What's up, guys? Alright, we just had like a burger. Homeboys are streaming. Yeah, that was fun. If you watch Kyle's stream, or I may have I popped in there a little bit. But yeah, we just had this place called the Sober Burger. Oh, this is a really good burger. It's like a smash burger, but yeah, it's really good. Yeah, we're just done eating, so we're gonna head out. It's fucking hilarious hanging out with like YouTubers because like it's usually a circuit jerk of fucking cameras, you know. Aaron is live streaming with a DJI. Paul will film his vlog. Kyle is obviously talking to the chat, and here I am following these guys filming. So just hilarious. Yeah, it worked out. Finished my video. I got my mics, and had a cool burger, and I'm hanging out with these guys. I love the environment here. It's very fun. The trees are very nice and green here too. It's beautiful. I love it. Good times, good times. This is ATT for fun. Oh, this is new. I don't remember this. It's becoming almost like a mini Vegas in a way. You have like places serving beer out on the sidewalk here. Hey Taiwan, please don't become another Vegas. Yeah, a lot of booze here. Right on though. Of course, we got the BTS. Sweet. I feel like since I got here, I've been focusing on this like construction a lot. But yeah, it is pretty impressive. Yeah, wow, it's more massive now. I'm like walking near it. Like, if anybody knows what they're doing here, like a hotel or another mall, I appreciate if you guys let me know. They're doing like another one there too. Holy shit. It's gnarly. Oh, cross.
Created this convention.
Oh yeah, see, there's a deck holder thing. I mean, yeah.
Still not sure what that's supposed to be, but maybe we'll find out.
He's happy to hold it.
We're able to breach these walls.
Cool. I just took my DJI mic kit out of the box. Came in this cool little pouch thing. So I'm just gonna charge it up and like, yeah, start using this thing. Cause this mic that I'm using is it's acting finicky. It's annoying. I have to like unplug it and plug it just to make sure it works, but fuck it. I'm doing an unboxing video, just like Pod does. Yeah, so you got your like wind blockers, you got your additional magnets, you know, Type C and some other connectors, but here's the big boy. The main reason why I wanted this thing is because like the box itself does come with a battery bank in there, so if your mics are low, you can just connect it back into the box and it'll just start charging. So I like that. And also, I think I mentioned earlier, this comes with a receiver, it's a Type C, so I'm able to connect this to my computer. So when I'm streaming or playing video games, I'm able to just use my mics. That way, like I don't have to have like a giant like mic arm in front of my face, you know. So yeah, it looks like it definitely needs to be charged, but yeah, it seems like they're good to go. They're ready. They're like half full. Super excited. I'm very happy for this. Very happy to get this in my toolbox. Good times. All right, it's like 7:45. Paul just woke up from his long beauty nap. We're about to do a fucking starving artist bullshit because we're both tired and hungry. And of course, Sarah's having a Computex party thing. Literally, we're just coming here to fucking eat and we're just leaving. Fuck. We came here last year. It's the same shit. Yeah, literally, we just like, party's like downstairs. We're like literally upstairs, so we're just coming here to eat and leave. Fuck it. Shit.
Thank you. Thank you. How's it been so far?
All right, so yeah, like I said, I'm literally just gonna get food, get the fuck out. I still have to edit this goddamn video. Fucking the Cooler Master video just took up all my afternoon. Yeah, so it's probably gonna get loud here. Hello. All right, you guys can have fun and see if you can find anyone that you know. Shit. I'm really fucking tired. I almost fell. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna get some food. And yeah. Alright. I just grabbed a bit of fucking everything. Ran into some people here. Alright, fuck, I'm out. I'm so crowded here, I had to eat like at some corner. Had like 8 people like touch my ass by accident, and I didn't like that. See, it's so bad I can't even get out. Alright, it's like 8:10, I think? I don't know. Yeah, something around there. But I decided to stay back to talk a bit. I made it clear, I'm just fucking eating and leaving. I'm fucking exhausted. Like, earlier when we were out, I was sweating pretty bad. I want to shower. I still have to edit this fucking video. Alright, man, that was fucking loud. Crowded. We felt like the corner of the table we were eating was like maybe like a square foot of a fucking corner that we found somewhere, and you know, it's like people kept bumping into me, and I was like, yeah, fuck this. Yeah, you know, it's an interesting experience when, like, first time I came here, I literally wanted to do everything. I wanted to go to every fucking party, to every event, to whatever. I think like, yeah, literally every fucking night. The first time I came to Taiwan, that was like a party every fucking night, and I did everything. I went out with Paul and Kyle. We did everything, and free booze, free food. My God. And then, like, obviously, I still had to get work done, so I was like, dude, I didn't really sleep for shit. And, yeah, you learn really quickly that shit sucks. It's fun, obviously, at first, but then you're like, bro, I need to sleep, and I need to get work done. It's like you're surrounded by all these, like, famous, popular YouTubers and stuff, and my priority is I want to go to my room so I can edit this video and then sleep. So, I'm just saying, yeah, just the mind shift is, it does happen. It's interesting. It's all good. I'm happy how things are going. Like I said, I'm super exhausted. It's 8:30 at the moment. It's getting close to that. Yeah, I just need a knockout. Tomorrow we're going to the convention center, so yeah, I definitely want to be rested for that and be walking around. Yeah, Paul has 2 appointments, so obviously I have to go with him. And once he's done filming it, then we come back to the room and start editing. So just that's how we roll here. So yeah, rest and work. Everything else is a bonus, but it's not mandatory or it's not a priority. Our work is. But anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.